Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As you all know, I am Vaishali, and again I am back with another DIY video, which is a part of the 21 days challenge we are taking on Instagram. For all the updates, you can follow us in the stories or the posts we are posting on Instagram. We are doing new things every day, like 21 days, 21 new things. So if you want to take the challenge, or even if you want to stay updated with it, that what we are doing in this lockdown situation, you can follow us on Instagram. And for today's video, what we are going to make is this or these. So these are tissue paper flowers. These pink and yellow ones we have made earlier, and you must have seen these in a lot of pictures. You've already used them, like exploited them basically. And what I am going to make in this video are these two. Because of this lockdown situation, I didn't have like the food color for the pink and the yellow one, but I had the orange color available, so I made use of it. And plus, these are made on yellow base and these were made on white base, but as you know, I can't go out and get anything, so I had used the yellow ones. It works the same for like both of it, like the color of the paper and all of that doesn't make any difference, just the color difference which you're gonna get. So you can make it orange, pink, yellow, blue, purple, red, whichever color you like. And these flowers, I can tell you, go on everything. They are super Pinteresty, good for your home decor, your flatlays, your portrait pictures, your normal pictures, your room decor, anything. So I really hope this video is useful and you like it. So let's just get into the video. I tend to eat words. So okay, come.
For the raw materials, you'll require kite paper, food color, scissors, glue gun, wooden stick, stapler, water, hair dryer, and a bowl. So first of all, we'll take kite paper and then cut it into half. Then we'll keep aside one part of that paper and cut the other half into another half. And then repeat again. If you want to add more layers to the flower and want to get it smaller, then you can cut it more times. After folding the paper 4 times, we'll get 8 even layers of paper. Now keep the layers evenly one upon the other and start folding it how it's shown in the video. This is how it'll look like when you'll finish the folding. Now take the stapler and staple the paper right in the center. Staple from both the sides to secure it more. Now cut the paper from the edges in a curve. This is how it'll start looking like. Now we'll jump onto the dyeing. Take 2 or 3 pinches of color and put it in a bowl. And pour some water in it. Remember here, if you add more water into the solution, then the color would be pastel. If you want to have a dark shaded color, then you can use more of the food color and less of water. Dip the paper in the color lightly and then take it out. Now try to open the layers of the flower slowly, as it's wet right now, so it might get torn. This is how the flower would look like. Now take the dryer and do exactly shown as in the video. When you will dry out the edges, you will see the different layers opening up. Drying out the edges is very necessary for the next step. We'll open up each layer of the flower one by one. First on the left side, then on the right side, then again on the left side and the right side. Follow the steps just shown as in the video. Our first flower is done. Now repeat the same for the second flower as well. And here we go. Our flowers are ready. Take a stick and you have to paste the stick right in the center of the flower, just how it's shown in the video. Now we'll use glue gun and put glue on the edge of the stick and stick it right inside the center of the flower and secure it nicely. And there we go. The flower is now ready.
So that was it for the video. Thank you for watching it. Plus I hope you really liked it, because these flowers are super pretty and don't take so much of effort. So I definitely think that these are worth a try. Plus, you know the drill. Today we have two drills, which we have to follow. I hope you are, let me keep this aside. I hope you're washing your hands, okay? You're not touching your face. You are eating healthy and staying home. That's very important. This is one drill you need to apply in your life or follow. So next up we come to the main drill, which is after you do all of this. Like the video, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Plus hit the bell icon. It's right on the side and it's free. So go and do it. Bye bye.